Hey guys, welcome to episode number 5. This is the third part to the 4-part series on stimulus. So right now we will talk about those who did not receive the first or the second payment and feel like or know that you're eligible to receive it. Also, I would like anybody who had a massive change in income or a change in filing status to go ahead and watch this too, because now you may be eligible and not even realize it. So if 2020 brought some good changes, like if you had a birth of a child or if you got married, you may now be eligible where you were not before. And for marriage, of course, that increases your combined total income cap. Additionally, if you had a child in 2020, but in 2019 your filing status was single and you were still unmarried, you would now be the head of household. So that dramatically increases your eligibility by increasing your income threshold. For our younger taxpayers between the ages of about 18 to 26, if you are eligible this year to claim yourself on your tax returns, congratulations. Make sure you talk to your parents first though, because you both don't want to claim you, because that would create an issue later. But if you're claiming yourself for the first time this year, you will actually be eligible for both stimulus payments as well. So depending on your income, you may also be eligible for the earned income credit if you earned under about $15,000. So you might get a hefty tax return this year that you did not anticipate. So if you have any questions on that, especially with the younger taxpayers, shoot me an email and I'll get back to you. And again, congratulations on your change of status to adulthood. Unfortunately, there are a massive amount of people that have been negatively impacted by the closures of COVID. So many people either lost their job, were restricted in their amount of hours, just still aren't working. So for those of you who were not eligible in 2019 because you were way over or slightly over the income levels, for this year, again, depending on your adjusted gross income, you may very well be eligible where you would not have been in 2019. For those of you who were impacted negatively and your income decreased substantially, please, again, remember what the adjusted gross income equates to. So that's any earned income, any unearned income, which is unemployment, and any income that you may have received from any 401 or retirement withdrawals. Regardless of the reason that you did not receive the payment, and again, as long as you were eligible, on line 30 on your 1040, for those of you completing your taxes yourself, there will be a spot on there where you can claim both stimulus payments. Also, for anyone that had a marital status change in 2020, going from married to divorced, what that would potentially do, if you have dependents, and if you split your dependents, let's say you have 2 children, one parent claims one child, the other parent claims another child, both of you are actually eligible to file for head of household. So if you do that and you both qualify separately for the head of household stimulus payments, you would both be qualified for 100% of each stimulus payment. If one or both of you received the stimulus payment, then you would just deduct the amount you received, or half the amount if you've already split that payment that you received due to the married status from 2019. Sometimes that one can be a little bit tricky, so again, if you have any questions and you're doing your taxes yourself, please shoot me an email and I'll help you work that one out too. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.